Assalamu alaikum, beautiful souls. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey, a journey into the life of the greatest man who ever lived, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But this isn't just a history lesson, it's a guidebook for how we can live our lives today, following in the footsteps of the noble Prophet. Picture this, a man of impeccable character, compassion overflowing from his heart, and wisdom radiating from his words. That was our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And guess what? His way of life isn't just a relic of the past, it's a timeless blueprint for us to thrive in the modern world. Let's dive into the epic saga of his life. From his humble beginnings in Mecca to his triumphant journey to Medina, every moment was a lesson in resilience, kindness, and devotion. Whether he was tending to his family, mediating disputes, or spreading the message of peace, the Prophet's life was a living example of compassion and justice. But hold on, folks. This isn't just a history lesson, it's a call to action. The Prophet Muhammad's teachings aren't confined to the pages of books, they're meant to be lived and breathed in our everyday lives. So, how can we embody his noble qualities? Let's start with compassion. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the epitome of mercy and empathy. Whether it was showing kindness to animals, comforting the downtrodden, or forgiving his enemies, his heart overflowed with love for all of creation. Next up, let's talk about justice. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stood firmly for what was right, even in the face of adversity. He championed equality, fairness, and dignity for all, regardless of race, religion, or social status. In today's world, we can honor his legacy by speaking out against injustice and standing up for the oppressed. Before we conclude, let's remember the timeless message from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself, as narrated in a hadith. None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. Sahih Bukhari. This profound hadith encapsulates the essence of compassion, empathy, and brotherhood that the Prophet taught us. Let's strive to embody this beautiful teaching in our interactions with others, spreading love and kindness wherever we go. Assalamu alaikum.